Hi everybody, welcome back and let's do another coding challenge today. This time again from HackerRank, and this time it's about delete a node. And delete a node at a given position in linked list and return a reference to the head node. The head is at position 0. The list may be empty after you delete the node. In that case, return a null value. So let's look at the function signature that we are given, and obviously they have given us a linked list definition here. You can see the data in the next pointer, and then in the function signature you're supposed to return the head as well as they give you the position at which to delete the node. So let's do that. So first thing we do is we say if list equal to null. That's an easy one, right? It's a corner case where you say if list equal to null, you can't delete node from a from a null list, right? So you say return null in this case, right? If you want, you can also add a printf statement here. So the printf could be can't delete from a linked list, from a empty list. Cannot delete from an empty list. Right? Cannot delete. Now next thing, corner case could be that if position is equal to 0, that means they want you to delete the head node itself. In that case, and we know the list is not null, so you may have a list with just one node, or you can have who knows how many nodes it has, but you don't care about all that. All you do is you say star new head equal to list next, and single linked list star new head list next, and you say if you want you can do free list, otherwise you just say return new head. So that's another corner case. Now you might argue that why I'm not freeing the list, and I'm not freeing it as of now, but we'll see what to do about that. Now the next thing is we want to start temp. Now we'll have to actually walk the list. So that would be list and then start prep equal to null. We start with the previous pointer as null and temp as the head, and let's start walking now. So you say while temp and then basically while temp and it's a logical and I less than position. What do? You say you move both these prev and temp one step ahead. Say temp equal to temp next, and then you say I plus plus, right? After that you come here and then you say now you see at this point if temp is equal to null, basically we came out of the while loop because of temp being null, even though I is still less than position. That means we say printf. If you want you can add a message, you say position out of bounds, position out of bounds. So let's end, and you say return a list, right? Else now we have basically taken care of most of the corner cases. So now what is the next thing left now? You see, all you need to do is you say prev next equal to temp next. At this point, say free temp and you say return a list, right? I think that should work. Now, other thing is we might try to, let's see if this one works. And it worked first time, we didn't make any typo and there's kind of mistakes. But I think one thing we could do is we could probably free the L list here. I think that will be the right thing to do. So let's do a run code again. Again it worked. So there you have your deleted node from linked list from a specific position. I hope it was useful and you will continue to advance your coding skills, which is a lot of fun actually, because you get to exercise your mind and it keeps you like busy like a puzzle. So it's not boring at all having to do these problems. So I hope you'll continue to do this and eventually you would hit a success in one of those interviews and you will not have enough time to look into the LeetCode or HackerRank, and you'll be doing the problem challenges at work. So with that, with those good words, I leave you alone and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.